Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Back here again with more news on the June Samsung update. We're about a week out from July, and we still don't have the update here in the US, but the update has been rolling out in places like Europe. Places where they already started the rollout, it looks like they are rolling out the version that was pulled from the rest of us. So if we look here, I am still on the May security patch, so no update here in the US just quite yet. They are working on another build for re-release, so I'm expecting, since we're, like I said, a week away from July at this point, that it's probably just going to be rolled into a July update. We're probably just going to skip a June security patch altogether. We'll either get a late June security patch in early July and then another update shortly after that for the July security patch, or we will just skip June altogether and go straight to July, which will have that fixed build rolled into it with the camera updates, performance updates. A lot of people are reporting better battery life, better camera performance, and better phone performance, less lag, stuff like that. Again, places where this rollout already started, like over in Europe, they are still rolling out the buggy version. The version people were reporting had bugs in it and stuff like that. They did not totally pull that rollout once they started it. They just didn't continue it in other places like the US and other regions, stuff like that. So hopefully we will get that here soon. But like I said, here in the US, we still are on the May security patch as of right now, and it is June 23rd when I'm making this video. So hopefully we'll get something soon, but it looks like it's going to be a good update once they iron out those bugs. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.